Can you believe that chicken Caesar salad wraps are actually over like $20 at your local restaurant? Because today I'm going to show you how to make them for less than $2 each. Chicken Caesar salad wraps are so easy to make and they come together in minutes. We're using leftover chicken or rotisserie chicken, and you can throw these together whether for dinner, lunch, or for the lake, or for a picnic. They're ready to go. Hi, I'm Carrie with eatingonadime.com, and I love helping you eat well on a budget. Let's get cooking. Chicken Caesar wraps. I love making chicken Caesar wraps when it's warmer outside. It's the perfect quick dinner. It's great for lunches, and it's also great for picnics or when you're out on a boat, because some people just don't want sandwiches. First, we got to start off with some cooked shredded chicken. We've got our rotisserie chicken, and you're gonna need about 2 cups. This is for 6 servings, so you can adjust it. And the great thing about our website is you can actually adjust the serving size to how many people you need, whether you're feeding a few or like a big crowd. Next, we need some romaine lettuce shredded. I got the fresh romaine here. 2 options. You can just slap the lettuce right on top and be lazy. You could run your knife through it and chop it up, or you can just tear it with your fingers. Most Caesar salads, you'll see that they're usually kind of torn and chopped up. You're going to want about 1 of these per wrap, a little more, a little less, depending on how much you want. I went ahead and added a little bit more lettuce because I want some more crunch, but before we keep going, let's talk about this. This is a wrap. It's not actually a tortilla. You're going to need the 10-inch wraps, and 6 of them if you're doing a serving of 6. You're going to find these in your local grocery store, either in the produce aisle or on the same aisle as the bread. Next, you're going to put 1/6 of the chicken, which is about 1/3 cup. I'm going to make sure it's into bite-sized pieces. So since I'm using rotisserie chicken today and it gets kind of long and shredded, I am just going to cut it in half just so it's easier to take a bite of when I want to eat it. A little bit of Parmesan cheese to top it off, and you can't have a Caesar salad wrap without some crunchy croutons. You're going to need 1 cup of Caesar salad dressing, but I'm just doing a drizzle. We eyeball it here. So we're just gonna do a drizzle. We actually do have a homemade recipe for Caesar salad dressing as well. I'm gonna include that link in there for you. It's really good, friends. Woo, it's a big daddy. This one got stuffed real quick. Fold in the ends like this, just like you would a burrito. Fold it over, tuck this in, and then continue rolling and press it down. Then we just gotta get a big knife and cut it in half. I like to be silly and cut it at a diagonal, just like they do when you go to a restaurant. Oh, I'm so excited. Aren't they just so pretty? Oh, my mouth. So good. I told you it was that easy. My daughters are obsessed with Caesar salad wraps, and they love buying them at restaurants, but they love these at home even more. There we go. 3 super simple and easy but tasty recipes that you can make with rotisserie chicken. Let me know in the comments, which one are you gonna make first? And if you love easy recipes like I do, make sure you watch this next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't want you to miss any more of our super fun, family-friendly recipes. I'll see you next time in my kitchen, friends. Bye.